government's still active.
It says slow down. What the heck? It says slow down. It says slow down. It says you had the slow sign. I have a dash camera. The slow was, you had the slow on there. I saw slow, so I slowed down.
I flipped it and
First it was stop. I agree, and I was slowing down to a stop, and then you had the slow down sign.
hold on. It was on stop.
I have a dash camera. At first it was on stop, and then I thought you rotated it, and it said slow. So I that's why I kept going. I have a dash camera. I can show you the video if you'd like.